we have reached question number 6 of exercise 7.1. Now it's very simple to solve this question. So let's try to understand as to how to solve this question. The question reads, in figure 7.21 there is a figure we have drawn here which is already there in your textbook, and in the figure 7.21 AC is equal to AE. Now the side AC is equal to AE, so it says that another two sides are equal. AB is equal to AD, it says, and one more thing given in the question, that's angle BAD, that is angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. So this is what given in the question. Now what the question asks us to find is that we have to prove, or we have to show, that side BC is equal to D. That means we will have to prove that this BC is equal to D. So let's try to highlight that area which we will have to prove BC as equal to D. For our convenience purpose, I am going to take out two triangles from here. Triangle BAC. So I am going to name it here as BAC. So I have taken this triangle BAC, and also I have taken this triangle DAE or EAD. DAE. D, A, C. Okay. So I have split the picture into two figures so that the concept or the way we reach the solution may be known to all of you very easily. So now let's try. Now look at here, this triangle ABAC is a combination of two triangles, BAD and DAC. So triangle BAD or angle BAC can be written as angle BAD plus angle DAC. Why have we written that way? Because angle BAC consists of two triangles, which are the BAD and BAD. So angle BAC is the sum of two triangles, angle BAD plus angle DAC. We have written, and let's just name it as 1. And look at here in this triangle, angle DAE or EAD, angle DAE is a combination of angle EAC plus DAC. So let's just put it as 2. It is to understand the concept well. So hope it is clear to everybody. Why have we split it into 2? Because the given triangles are, looking at here, we can understand they are combined triangles. Now this triangle BAC consists of triangle BAD and DAC. Likewise, triangle DAE consists of triangle DC and triangle CAE. So we have written this way. Now let's write down those things here. And before that, let's note down the given areas in the question, given things in the question. The question is given AC is equal to A. That means AC, which is equal to AC is equal to AE. We have located it. Then secondly, AB is equal to AD, that is AB is equal to AD. So looking at here, we can understand corresponding sides are equal. AC, its corresponding side is AE. AC and AE are corresponding sides or matching sides. They are equal. It's given in the question. Likewise, AB and AD are corresponding sides. They are equal. It's given in the question. Again, what's given in the question is that angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Angle BAD is looking at the question, we can trace it there. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, that is this portion. So these two angles are equal, but not the complete angle. You must observe that clear. Now what we have to prove is that we have to prove that BC is equal to D. Now in the question, it is given that the side AB and AD are corresponding sides, they are equal. AB and AD are corresponding sides, they are equal. So look at this BC and DE. What are they? BC and DE are also corresponding sides. So we will have to just prove that these sides BC and DE are corresponding sides and they are equal. So once we are able to find out and prove that those sides are equal, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So how can we prove that these two sides are equal? In order to prove that these two sides BC and DE are equal, we just have to prove that the triangle ABC and triangle ADE are congruent to each other. If we can prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other, we can easily say that corresponding parts of the corresponding triangles are equal. So it's very simple. So let's try to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Now there are certain hints already given. Two corresponding sides are actually in fact here equal already. So let's try to prove that this complete angle as equal. So for that, what should we do? Let's write here this one, equation 1, angle BAC is equal to angle BAD plus angle DAC. So here in the question it's already given BAD is equal to AC. So instead of BAD, let's replace it with what? AC. So I'm going to put here instead of BAD angle EAC plus DAC. I'm going to put exactly that way without any change. So we have now received a something. Now look at here, angle EAC and angle DAC. Let's compare this with let's say it has 3. Now compare 3 with 2. So we have written here. So let's compare. When we compare here, we see a similarity, that is angle EAC plus angle DAC is what? DAE. So angle DAE is the combination of angle EAC and angle DAC. So therefore instead of angle EAC plus DAC, we can write what we say? DAE. Therefore angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. Now look at here in the picture. We have proved that angle BAC, that means this complete angle BAC is equal to angle DAE, that is DAE, the complete angle. So we have proved that other than the two corresponding sides, an angle and included angle is also equal. So therefore we can say that here looking at here we can say that side angle side congruence rule is satisfied here. Why? We have proved that other than the given two corresponding sides, the included angles of these two triangles are also same. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent to each other. What congruence rule is applied here, or what congruence rule is satisfied here? It's nothing but side angle side. So therefore it is observed that these two triangles satisfy the SAS congruence rule. So it's understood from here. Therefore, triangle, which are those triangle BAC and DAE are congruent. Therefore, triangles BAC is congruent to triangle DAE. Now you must understand, we have not yet reached the solution, or we have not yet proved what is to be proved. Now it's very simple. From here itself we can understand. Since these two triangles are congruent now, proven to be congruent, we already know the corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are always equal. If the side AB is equal to AD, if the side AC is equal to its corresponding side AE, then obviously, since it is a congruent triangle, since these two are congruent triangles, BC should also be equal to D. So we can say, since these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, we can say that side BC is equal to side DE. Side BC is equal to D. Why? The reason is corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are equal. So we have tried to understand. So hence we have proved that the side BC is equal to its corresponding side D of triangle DAE. So we have proved here first of all. So in order to prove that the side BC is equal to DE, first of all we have split the triangle for a convenience purpose into two, so that we can understand without any confusion how the equations are made here. And when we tried to split it, we realized that the triangle BAC has got two triangles inside in it. They are BAD and DSC. So we have made an equation, and another triangle DAE is also combined triangle. It consists of two triangles. They are angle ESC and angle DSC. We have mentioned it as equation 2. After that, we have written down the given ideas in the question. We have written up. Then we have accepted the equation number 1. And on the equation, we have realized that BAD is already given. BAD is replaced with the ESC. And when we replaced it, we realized that there is a comparison with the equation 3 and 2. So when we compared it, we found out that EAC plus DAC is equal to DAE. So we have found out that EAC plus DAC is DAE. Hence, we understand that these two triangles are equal. Why? They satisfy the rule of side angle side congruence rule. If these two triangles are equal, their all corresponding sides should be equal. That means AB should be equal to AD, AC should be equal to AE. If these two pairs of sides are equal, obviously BC should also be D. That's why we have written as BC is equal to D. Why? Corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are always equal.